Tired of hunting for the Blockquote widget in Elementor? Discover the exact location and how upgrading unlocks 30+ pro features for faster, better site building. First, we'll open your homepage in Elementor and click the highlight area. Then, we'll navigate through the Pro menus to find the Blockquote widget and upgrade. Go to Edit Home with Elementor. Click on Highlight. Click on Pro. Click on Pro. Click on Blockquote. Click on Use Blockquote widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Click on Upgrade Now. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.